Hi, this is PR Sundar. The Bank Nifty has been hugely underperforming. As of this week, from Monday high to Friday's low, the Bank Nifty has fallen more than 2000 points. So, what is the issue? Because of coronavirus, the businesses were not doing well, and the people who have taken a loan, the Reserve Bank of India said that you don't have to repay the loan for few months, for 3 months. That is called moratorium. Moratorium means you don't have to pay the EMI. First 3 months moratorium was given. After that, the 3 more months was given extra. So a total of 6 months period, the people who have taken loan, they were allowed not to pay the EMI. Now the question is, I have taken a loan and I did not pay. But whatever the money I am supposed to pay, that will be added into the principal, and then from next month onwards, I have to pay interest for that. So which means, although I have not paid the EMI, but for that period, I am still supposed to pay the interest. The question many people are asking, it is an act of God, and 6 months we did not run the business, and how can we pay interest for that amount? So we want a waiver of interest, and some people have filed a case in Supreme Court seeking the waiver of interest. Now, there are 3 possibilities. What the banks are arguing, we are taking money from the depositors and we are lending to the people. What normally banks do, they take deposit at the rate of 5%, they lend the money to business people at the rate of 8%. So that 3% is the profit margin for them. That is called net interest income. But now the people who have taken a loan, if they are not repaying or if they are not paying the interest, then they cannot say, I will not pay interest to the depositors. So the banks are saying, we will have to collect the interest from the people who have taken loan because we have to pay interest to the depositors. So on one side, the people who are suffering and they are asking for interest waiver. On the other side, banks say we are running a business, we are paying interest to the depositors, so we cannot waive the interest. What are the possibilities? There are 3 possibilities. The first possibility, sometimes some state governments, they waive the farm loan. It has happened in many states. Before the election, some parties will say, we will waive off all the farm loans. But the banks give the loan to the farmers. When the loan is waived off, the government pay that money to the bank. So the same way here, the interest can be waived, but that interest must be paid from the government to the banks. That is one possibility. However, the central government has firmly denied this. So the central government is not willing to pay the interest. So therefore, the first possibility is ruled out. The second possibility is that business people, whether you are losing the money or not, whether you are running the business or not, you have to pay. So this is a second possibility. Then there is a third possibility. Let me give you one simple example. Let us say my bank has taken deposit from the depositors at the rate of 5% and they lend the money to me at the rate of 8%. I have taken the loan and I bought so many taxis and I'm running a taxis business. Because of coronavirus, the government told me that I'm not supposed to run my taxis for the last 6 months. So it is a huge loss for me. Now my question is, when my business is not doing well and I'm forced to pay, but the bank's business must go on very well. So what some people are arguing, let us say the banks are paying 5% to the depositors, then let them take only 5% from the people who have taken a loan, not the 8%. So that means they are asking for reduced interest rate. Because I have not done the business because of coronavirus, but then how can I pay full money so that you make full profit? So now in front of Supreme Court, so there are 3 possibilities. One, the government pay the interest. Second, the people who have taken loan, they are asked to pay interest. And the third one is the people can be asked to pay the lower interest to cover the cost of the banks. So the case has been going on, and the next hearing is on next Thursday, and the markets are too much worried about the outcome of this case, and that is why the banking stocks has been hugely underperforming for the last 1 week. Whenever US markets went up, we did not go up. But whenever US markets going down, and we are falling. So our market, particularly Bank Nifty, is looking very weak, and some clarity is required in this case, and then only the markets may recover. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.